How to hide or archive orders on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide or archive orders on Amazon. First, make sure that you are logged in into your Amazon account. Once you are on the Amazon homepage, hover to the account and list section at the top right, where you will see your name from the drop down. Click on your orders, and this will take you to the page showing your order history. Under each order, you will find an option labeled as archive order. Let's say you bought something as a gift or you want to hide it from a curious eye, perhaps a kids who can sometime access your account. Just click on archive orders link next to the item. Now you will be informed that you can archive up to 500 orders, and the item you are archiving will be hidden from your regular order history. Click on Archive Order button and the order will be removed from your main order list, making it more difficult to find unless you know where to look. Now, to view your archived order, you simply need to go back to your account and list drop down. Click on Account and then look for the option labeled as Archived Orders. Once you click that, you will be able to see all the orders you have hidden. And if you decide you want to unarchive an order, simply click on Unarchive button next to the order and it will return to your main order list. And that's it. Now you know how to archive and unarchive orders on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.